High in the mountains over Jardín, Colombia, we took a hike down into what became truly spectacular. A waterfall crashing through the ceiling of a cave. Join us as we take you on the Jeep ride up the mountain, the hike down to the cave, and a very refreshing, but so very cold, swim in the mountain stream. The Colombian Paso Fino traces its roots back to horses brought by the Spanish in the 1500s. Over centuries, they were selectively bred for their incredibly smooth, natural gait that's still famous today.
Caminando por pedacitos y van a pistola. Allá venden unos plátanos. Van a ir hasta arriba. Se quedan acá.
Locals call this the wishing wall. As water slowly trickles over the moss-covered rock, visitors often pause to make a wish, but the wall itself is left untouched to protect its fragile moss.
What do you think?
Amazing. This is truly amazing.
Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans with depth in me, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Google Glass, laughing at our working class. Mommy's problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey. Weekend vibes in stereo, bassline deep. Let's move slow. Every worry left behind. Dancing for.
Just as I hit the stop record button, Sarah, one of Nina's great friends, fell into the water as she slipped off the rock. Wow, this water was cold. And as we finished the hike, the finca, or also farm, gave us food and refreshments, which was much needed. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe and join us on our next adventure.